This video of the month showcases how the application of EV's Optis R150 camera technology helped a geothermal operator in New Zealand to overcome the sudden decline of performance of a water injection well. The operator experienced a drop in injectivity after performing a scale cleanup in their separated geothermal water disposal pond. This may have caused the injection of scale fragments into the well, resulting in a blockage at the injection inlet and/or deeper within the well. Locating and understanding the extent of any injected scale would be critical to identifying the most effective means to remove it. Additionally, due to the elevated corrosion potential of geothermal separated waters, the operator also needed to confirm that the integrity of the well was sufficient to support the chosen treatment. EV's Optis R150 camera was deployed on E-line with both down-view and side-view cameras, enabling detailed wellbore evaluation from two different perspectives and in real time. Thanks to its extended temperature range, the Optis R150 reduces quenching requirements, thereby minimizing disruption to energy production and reducing the risk of structural damage of the well. Down-view and side-view cameras confirmed the presence of fragmented scale at several depths in the well. Side-view images showed how the scale had accumulated around the perforations in the liner, restricting injection. Large accumulations of debris could be seen deeper into the well, but as this was below the depths of the perforations, these were deemed not to be affecting injectivity. In addition, the detailed images provided by the side-view camera revealed only minor pitting in the casing and liner, thereby confirming the integrity of the well was good. Knowing the locations and amount of fragmented scale blocking the injection and that the casing integrity was good, the operator decided to chemically stimulate the well to try and dissolve the scale in situ. After bullheading an acid mix from surface, the injectivity increased, exceeding initial records for the well. This rapid and low-cost remediation enabled water disposal to be reinstated without any disruption to power generation. Contact your local EV representative to find out more.